Michael McKee is now facing 5 charges in the deaths of his ex-wife Monique Tepe and her husband Spencer. That's after a Franklin County jury, a grand jury, handed down an indictment today.
10 TV's Lacey Crisp was the first to break this news through a 10 TV push alert at 12:15 this afternoon, and she has been following this case since the Tepes were found dead in their Weinland Park home. That was back on December 30th.
Lacey joins us now and explains what the charges mean and what happens next.
This is a copy of the indictment filed against Dr. Michael McKee. He's charged with using a silencer on the gun. That could explain why neighbors here tell me they didn't hear anything the night the Tepes were killed.
Short of a death penalty specification, this is as serious a legal proceeding as we have in the criminal justice system. First of all, the silencer specification is a 6-year spec.
Criminal defense attorney Sam Szymanski is not involved in the case, but explains why vascular surgeon Dr. Michael McKee is now facing 4 counts of aggravated murder and 1 count of aggravated burglary.
Mr. Leonard has indicted this, as most good prosecutors do, with alternative theories. The first theory is that the accused thought about it, planned it, and committed it. The second theory is that there was an ag burglary that maybe went wrong and that somehow resulted in the death. So it's an alternative theory.
Columbus police say this grainy surveillance video is McKee in the alleyway behind Spencer and Monique Tepe's home. Police say they have video of McKee getting out of his car just before the killings and getting back into that car just after the couple was killed. Police followed that car to Rockford, Illinois, where McKee works, and was taken into custody at a Chick-fil-A by the ATF.
Michael McKee.
I was in the Winnebago County courtroom as McKee waived his extradition hearing. McKee showed no emotion in the brief hearing. Police Chief Elaine Bryan explained Columbus police searched McKee's Chicago condo and found weapons. Bryan said one of those weapons has been preliminarily matched through ballistics databases with evidence from the homicide scene.
You know, there's no question that that's a tough fact to have to confront. If you're accused of, killing 2 people and they find the gun that was allegedly used in the crime at your home, that takes a bit of explaining in order to put in perspective.
And through his public defender in an Illinois courtroom, McKee said he intended to plead not guilty. We're still waiting to hear when he'll be brought here to Franklin County to face charges. In Weinland Park, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.